Get a feel for the 2019 Volvo XC40. With less than 45,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle stands out from the rest. This fun-loving XC40 delivers an optimal driving experience, solid utility, and sleek Scandinavian style. Enter its light-filled, beautifully designed cabin and let the good feelings start to flow. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: navigation system, keyless entry, sun, moonroof, fog lamps, power liftgate, power passenger seat, dual zone AC, power driver seat, blind spot monitor, electronic stability control. Take peace of mind along on every journey in this superbly crafted XC40. Come in for a fun and easy test drive. Our team will make it the best part of your day.